guys, welcome back to my channel and Ramadan Kareem to all of my Muslim brothers and sisters. And for today's look, we're going to be doing this amazing Ramadan Kareem look using Homegrown Hits here in Dubai. So if you want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. The Fenty Beauty foundation is known to oxidize and it kind of sets fast. So what I like to do is to just work on areas of my face. That way I can blend it really, really nicely. Don't be scared. There you go. So I work in batches or parts. Like Dubai. Because it lasts the whole day without having to touch it up. It feels very light to me, and I'm not somebody who wears full coverage foundation on a regular basis. Yeah. Now what I like to do is to just let the foundation sit there for a bit before I do my concealer and all that jazz. Hi guys, so we're going to be concealing, and this is actually from Alcone in New York. So this is what I normally take with me. Do when I conceal this, I actually bring the concealer all the way to the sides of the nose. That way I can be assisted with contouring. Sometimes I don't really contour my nose anymore. So this is just a damp beauty blender, and I like this gray beauty blender because it fits the contours of my face really well. Sometimes I find the pink, the original size beauty blender a little bit too big, when blending concealers and good stuff. Now, if you have particularly dry under eyes, you can also spritz your beauty blender with using one of my brushes. We're just going to dip into the contour palette. This is the 40 Mirage filter from Mark Beauty, and we're just gonna put it on the hollows of the cheeks. And you can also do it on the temples. I don't contour my forehead. Cream product. Yeah. And with my Woman Banana brush, this is just a tapered brush, and we're gonna dip into the same contour shades and we're gonna snatch the nose. So as usual, we begin close to the eyebrows for the most natural looking snatch nose. It is the first day of Ramadan, by the way, guys. I actually filmed this last week or 2 weeks ago, but I wasn't happy with the output, so I said, you know, let me film it today. And then we're just gonna use this clean brush. This is another one from my line. Line. This 3D highlighter palette, and since I haven't set my face yet, I'm gonna use, there's a cream product in here which is Fiji. It's beautiful, and I just like to warm this up on the back of my hand. And then apply it on the high points of my face. This is not even the finished product. Yeah, and then you can also bring it to the bridge of the nose. I like to do it with the Ooh! That's a big one right there, guys. Just make sure you blend it well. Hourglass Radiant Bronze Light. Okay. I like to go from here, highest point of the cheekbones. Warm up the skin. You can also do it on the forehead if you like. Just go back with this brush. Yeah, I swear it looks weird. With the skin, I'm just gonna go set it with my Charlotte Tilbury powder with my Homegrown brush. This powder and I have been inseparable since I got it. This and Laura Mercier's. I couldn't put it down. Now the skin is set. We are of course going to use our Fix Plus. And my trusty fan. It's broken. And I'll be back to show you the eyes. And we're gonna go ahead with Bay. This is just very light, almost yellow kind of color. And we're just gonna go over the eye area. This is also a brush from my line. This is a flat shader brush. The eyeshadow applies very, very smooth. And now we're going to go ahead with another brush of mine. This is and we're gonna go with Sandalwood, a very warm shade over here, beautiful transition shade. And then we're just gonna go over the crease. Yeah. Very lightly. Is get one of my clean brushes like this one. Just make sure there are no rough edges. I'm going to proceed with another brush of mine. This is a tapered brush, and we're going to go with henna. This one. Just to deepen it. So we're gonna go ahead with my pinky, and we're gonna use 24K. This is like the really gold one over here. Just take that out. And we're gonna use my pinky, and we're gonna just warm it up a bit on the back of the hand because it is slightly chunky, but it's smooth, you know, once you warm it in the back of your hand. So it makes it easy for me to apply the shadow. There you go. And then we're gonna go ahead and use Blessed. It's like a gold shade also, and put it in the middle. It's the rose gold one. Now we're gonna just pat this on the edges. Go back to sandalwood. Okay guys, so the eye look is done. These are my Cindy's. I hope you guys will like them when they launch. Now we're gonna do the lips, and I'm gonna be using Max Your Lip Pencil just to line the lips. And we're gonna be using Huda Beauty's Liquid Matte and Bombshell. This is a beautiful lip liner, one of my favorites.